Today, the 18th of February 2021, FII bought for 903 crores and DII sold for minus 1,217 crores. In past 5 days, FII bought for 4,252 crores and DII sold for minus 5,706 crores. This month, February 2021, FII bought for 23,756 crores and DII sold for minus 15,463 crores. In past 5 months, FII bought for 1,60,815 crores and DII sold for minus 1,30,365 crores. Three years trend on how FII and DII invested in cash market. All datas are in crore rupees. This graph shows 3 years trend on how FII index options and FII future investments are. All datas are in crore rupees.